Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you go over how to play Call of Duty Cold War. This easy guide is designed for new players and those looking to refresh their skills. We'll cover everything from basic controls to advanced strategies, ensuring you have a solid foundation to enjoy the game. Get ready to dive into the action and dominate the battlefield with confidence. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a Cold War master. Understanding the core mechanics is crucial for success. You'll learn how to move efficiently, aim precisely, and shoot accurately. We'll also explore the importance of your minimap, which provides vital information about enemy positions and objectives. Familiarize yourself with the various game modes, as each offers a unique experience and requires different approaches. Mastering these fundamentals will significantly enhance your gameplay. Optimizing your loadout is key to adapting to different combat situations. Choose weapons and attachments that complement your playstyle, whether you prefer close-quarters combat or long-range engagements. Don't forget to utilize powerful perks and score streaks to turn the tide of battle. Always maintain strong map awareness and prioritize objectives to contribute effectively to your team's victory. Strategic thinking makes all the difference. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Spend time refining your aim and improving your reaction times in various game modes. Watching experienced players can also provide valuable insights and new strategies to incorporate into your own gameplay. Remember, effective communication with your teammates is vital for coordinated attacks and defense. Keep practicing, stay positive, and most importantly, have fun as you continue to improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.